Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize business intelligence with Microsoft Power BI. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, open Microsoft Power BI desktop. Once the application is open, click on Get Data to import your data sources. Select the appropriate data source from the options provided. For example, choose Excel if your data is in an Excel file. Browse to locate your file and click Open. Power BI will then import your data tables. In the Navigator pane, select the tables you want to include. Click Load to bring the selected data into your report. Now, move to the Data view to clean and transform your data. Use the Transform Data option to launch Power Query Editor. Remove unnecessary columns and filter your data as needed. You can also change data types if required. After making changes, click Close and Apply to return to your report. Now, switch to the Report view to start visualizing your data. Drag and drop fields from the Fields pane to your report canvas. Choose the type of visualization that best represents your data. Adjust the visualization settings in the Visualizations pane. You can also format your visuals to improve readability. Consider creating a dashboard by pinning important visuals. Power BI allows you to create interactive reports with slicers. Add slicers to filter data dynamically based on user selections. To enhance your report, include tooltips for additional context. Once you're satisfied with your report, consider setting up scheduled refreshes. This ensures your data stays up to date automatically. Finally, publish your report to the Power BI service for broader access. With these steps, you'll optimize business intelligence using Power BI effectively. Start leveraging your data insights today. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.